I just thought I'd take you today through an essential part of your kit to make life a bit easier, and that is the peg puller. Now, they do come in a big range. This one here really just is designed to pull out, gives you a bit of leverage, gives you a good handle there, so you've got good leverage to pull them out. You've got your simple extractors there, where it's just one handle. Again, just easier than trying to get your little finger around a peg and trying to pull it out, so it makes it a bit easier. You've got others that'll give you a good amount of leverage. This one here's got an extendable handle, so it will actually get under the peg. You'll lever that out, and then you can pull it out. Then you've also got a bit of a combination, so this is an example here of a weighted hammer with a peg extractor at the end, so you've got an all-in-one piece for your kit there. So look, it is certainly easier to get yourself a peg puller or a peg extractor. Just makes life a little bit easier when you're packing up to going home. This is Luke from Turnbull Toowoomba. Thanks for watching.